In this video, I want to show you how you can recover deleted files in Google Docs. So let's say I will remove this first document over here. I'm going to remove it. And now you can see if you remove something, it's going to be still stored somewhere, but only for next 30 days. And after that, if you don't recover this file, it's going to be permanently removed. So if I move this to trash, now you can see it's gone. And if you want to find this, you want to click on those three lines in top left corner, like main menu. And we want to go to Drive because everything you do in Google Docs is saved automatically in like Drive. So you can find also trash here. So you can find this trash and you can see this is the document I removed. And now it's going to be stored here for the next 30 days. So if you want to recover this, you can click on those three dots and you can click on restore or delete forever. So if you want to restore it, click on restore. And now you can open again Google Docs and you can see it's automatically right here. I don't even have to refresh the website and it's here. So this is how you can recover deleted files. So keep in mind, you can't recover files if they are or if they were in the trash longer than 30 days because they are permanently deleted. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.